Hey everybody, Bill Murphy outside the office of Fairway Mortgage in Auburn, and I'm joined by a couple of our team members, Monica Keefe and Jennifer Durden, and we are out in this busy spring market helping our agents with their open houses. And we got a great story that Monica had an accepted offer at an open house because she was Johnny on the spot, or where she helped pre-approve a client that didn't even have one. Go ahead, Monica. Why don't you tell the story?
Yeah, so I was at an open house and there was multiple parties coming through. I would think it was about 20 of them that came in, and there was a client there that wasn't pre-approved and they wanted to put an offer in on the house. So later on that day, we did the pre-approval. They sent me all their documents and they ended up putting in an offer, and that offer was accepted.
And how many offers went in that day?
About three. There's three offers that went in.
And that was the fourth, right?
Yes.
Great job, nice. And Jen, what do you do when you're at an open house? How do you assist the agents?
I assist the agents by signing them in and getting them.
So we can follow up and help our agents follow up with all the agents out there.
Yep. And then once I get the sign-in sheet, I reach out to the potential.
And then we get the potential clients getting back to the agents. So that's another great way. And also, of course, the number one thing is safety. Having a partner or somebody there with you at an open house, especially a busy open house or a not so busy open house. We want to watch each other's back. So one more thing, one more tip. This past week we've had several calls regarding pre-approvals, and pre-approvals are being issued by banks, lenders, without even checking any of the documentation. They're just giving it on the spot with maybe a credit check, but they don't verify everything, and it's not really a true pre-approval. So we actually have the ability to have your pre-approvals underwritten with an underwriter. We verify taxes, taxes, W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, everything, the whole nine. So we're able to verify and get a complete pre-approval out to you to make your offer super strong. So just a couple of tips with your open houses and pre-approvals. We're here to help you, and email the Bill Murphy team. Thanks.